Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of project management with Asana, and we're going to unveil how to create recurring projects, an incredibly useful feature if you have tasks that repeat periodically. Our first step is to create a new project. To do this, click on the Add Project button, typically located on the left of your dashboard. The reason we do this is to create a fresh space where we can house all tasks related to this recurring project. Once you've created the new project, it's time to add tasks. Click on the Add Task button within your newly created project. In the task name, type something that reflects the nature of the ongoing task. This helps us because having specific task names make it easier to identify and manage in the long run. Now that we've added the tasks, let's make them recurring. Click on the task you just created and look for the due date field. Upon clicking the field, you'll see a calendar view, and below it, the option to set to repeat. The reason we do this is to ensure that Asana automatically schedules this task, saving us the trouble of manually doing it each time. After clicking Set to Repeat, a new dialog box will appear. This is where you can set the frequency of the task. You have options ranging from daily, weekly, monthly, or even annually. Choose what suits your operations best. Let me explain why this matters. Setting the right frequency is crucial to ensure that your team is not overwhelmed with tasks and everything proceeds in a structured manner. Finally, click on the Done button to complete the process. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is now programming itself to automatically generate this task at the frequency you've set. This automation is what makes Asana such a powerful tool for project management. And there you have it. You've now set up a recurring project in Asana. Remember, this tool is all about making your project management seamless and efficient. So that's a wrap for today's tutorial on creating recurring projects on Asana. Keep exploring, keep learning, and see you in the next video.